when you are organizing for a child, whether the child is 2, 10, you want to think like a child. For the little ones, you want to get down on the floor and you want to see what they see. So of course, everything has to be accessible, easy to reach, easy to understand. Depending on the age, for little ones, you want to have perhaps organize their toys in baskets. You would want to have a picture if they're pre-readers, but also have the word so they can identify what's in there. I love color coding because your memory or their memory will respond to the color first. If it's blue, it's trucks, something along those lines. And it'll help them get organized and again, stay organized. And by the way, when we start, when children are really young, they adapt those skills. It sort of becomes part of who they are and they grow with it. So I think it's really important to start young.